Is your TradingView chart stuck or not moving? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TradingView chart not moving issue with a complete troubleshooting guide for 2025. Whether it's a browser glitch, data freeze, or settings problem, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your charts running smoothly again. Let's jump in. First is click the chart icon at the bottom right corner, click Reset Price Scale. Then go back to Settings and click More Settings. Now click the Apply Defaults. If it is now working yet, go to your phone settings, go to your app management, search for the TradingView, click the storage usage, and clear cache and data. And that's how you fix the TradingView chart not moving problem in 2025. If this guide helped you get your charts back on track, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more TradingView tips and trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!